This is how to get the best grilled cheese ever. It's all about the cheese, and here's my perfect formula. A good sharp cheddar for flavor. Mozzarella will give you the very best cheese pool, and American delivers the creamiest and nostalgia. A very light smear of mayo on the outside will deliver an even golden brown crust, and the butter melted in the pan is essential for flavor. Cook it over medium-low heat. If the heat is too high, the bread will toast before the cheeses have a chance to melt. It's ooey gooey, creamy and crunchy, and oh so cheesy. Just like me.
When you love grilled cheese and pepperoni pizza, it's a no-brainer to combine them both. This one has 3 different cheeses, pepperoni cups, and is a guaranteed banger. Go to the grocery bakery section. Find one of those circular loaves. They're soft and they're usually around $1 or $2. Slice the top off and slice the bottom off. Then try and slice it in half equally. Trust me, it's easier said than done. Use some room temperature butter to butter one side of each piece, and then place one of those pieces butter side down on a medium-high skillet. Lay down a few slices of medium cheddar and some slices of Munster cheese. Then put the other slice of bread on top, butter side up. After a few minutes, flip it over and then add some water to the pan and cover it. The steam is going to help melt the cheese. Now lay it down on a baking tray and spread some of your favorite marinara on top. Add some low moisture mozzarella cheese followed by some pepperoni cups. It's those pepperonis that turn into cups when you cook them. Sprinkle on some dried oregano and bake at 450 Fahrenheit for roughly 10 minutes.
Thank you.